Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the confidential mode feature in your Gmail account. This tool will allow you to set a message expiration date, revoke message access at any time, and require verification codes by text to access messages, making sure your emails are secure. First, you're going to want to make sure that you're signed in with your admin account. Then you're going to want to go to google.admin.com. Next, find your apps. Go to Google Workspace, find Gmail, and then go to User Settings, and scroll down until you find Confidential Mode. Here you can select the checkbox for enabling confidential mode, or you can deselect if it is already checked. After you've made any changes, you go to Save, and then confidential mode should be activated. You can also activate confidential mode for just specific organizational units by selecting the unit over here before making your selection over here. Once you've made the changes and confidential mode is activated, go to Gmail, compose a new message, and here you will see a new tool that looks like a padlock. Select this tool, and now you can set your expiration date for this message or set up passcode requirements for access of this message. Now, once you've sent an email and you would like to revoke access to whoever you sent the email to, find it in Sent or search your inbox, select the message, and you can remove access here, and they will no longer be able to see this email.